Hi guys, today's review is on the Willy Jeep. In this set you get 3 Jeeps. There's the green one, khaki, and jungle camouflage. It's a decent set. Some details are left out however, like the black outline, and there's no glass or windshield wipers for the windshield. They could be folded down. The rubber tires can roll. But unfortunately the seats are kind of uneven though. Comes with a display case. If you want a more accurate looking Jeep, I recommend either Hobby Master or Dragon Armor. This set is a cheaper alternative. It's decent. I say the quality is on par with Amercom. And also, I think the tires are a bit too thick. Let's compare with some other World War II vehicles. Here's the Deuce and a Half and the M8 Scout car. Thanks for watching.